Alright, so picture this. It's early 2026. Samsung hasn't officially said a word yet. And somehow we already know when, where, and pretty much how the Galaxy S26 series is about to make its debut. Classic Samsung leaks. Here's what's happening. The Galaxy S26 lineup is now expected to be revealed on February 25th, 2026 during Samsung's first Unpacked event of the year. The event is tipped to happen in San Francisco, and if you're watching from Europe, the keynote should kick off around 7 p.m. French time. And if history repeats itself, pre-orders won't be far behind. According to a new report backed by trusted insider Bill Sidlak-Khan, Samsung could start selling the S26 series worldwide as early as March 11th, beginning with Europe and then rolling out globally. But dates aside, the real story here isn't the launch, it's the design. Because before Samsung can even warm up the presentation slides, real-world leaks are already giving us a very clear idea of what the Galaxy S26 Ultra is going to look like. Let's start with something surprisingly important. Cases. A third-party brand has already revealed Galaxy S26 Ultra cases, and these things quietly confirm one of Samsung's biggest design changes in years. For the first time, Samsung appears to be embracing a proper camera island. Not individual floating lenses, not subtle cutouts, but a clearly defined camera area on the back. The case shows 3 large camera rings grouped together inside a raised section, with 2 smaller lenses sitting separately alongside a dedicated cutout for the LED flash. This isn't a manufacturing accident. This looks intentional, deliberate. Like Samsung finally decided it's okay to admit the cameras exist. And once you notice that, everything else starts to fall into place. The corners of the Galaxy S26 Ultra appear more rounded than before, continuing Samsung's slow move away from that boxy, note-inspired look. Even the S Pen has changed. The upper tip now looks shaved and rounded, blending seamlessly into the phone's body instead of sticking out visually. It's a small detail, but those are exactly the kinds of details Samsung has been obsessing over lately. Things get even more interesting when you look at the CAD images shared by Ice Universe. These finally explain why Samsung went with this new camera layout. The Galaxy S26 Ultra reportedly uses a dual-layer camera island design. Basically, instead of one harsh step up from the back panel to the camera bump, the module is stacked in 2 stages to soften the transition visually and physically. The total camera bump thickness is expected to be around 4.5 millimeters, including the sensors, while the phone itself sits at roughly 7.9 millimeters thick. On paper, that doesn't sound revolutionary, but in the hand, it could make the phone feel noticeably more balanced and less top-heavy than previous Ultras. More leaked protective cases back this up. These aren't flashy, over-the-top designs. They're clean, precise, and minimal. The camera cutouts are tight and intentional, suggesting Samsung is aiming for a more refined, almost luxury-inspired aesthetic this time around, rather than going aggressive or experimental. There's also another small but telling leak: camera protection films. The Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus appear to share the same camera layout, while the S26 Ultra uses a completely different configuration. That confirms Samsung is once again giving the Ultra its own identity, not just in specs, but in physical design too. And honestly, this might be the most exciting part. For years, the Ultra line has been about incremental upgrades. A bit better here, a bit faster there. Useful, sure, but rarely exciting. Now though, everything we're seeing points to Samsung focusing on real-world improvements. Better ergonomics, smarter design. And if the rumors around charging speeds, low-light camera upgrades, and everyday usability turn out to be true, this could finally be the Ultra refresh people have been asking for. Samsung hasn't said anything yet, but the cases, the CADs, and the leaks are already telling a story. And if this is the direction Samsung is heading in 2026, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might end up being one of the most meaningful upgrades we've seen in years. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of the leaks before Samsung makes them official, make sure you're subscribed. I've got plenty more coming as we get closer to Unpacked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.